Guys, check out this classic 93 WR250, absolute diamond. But what lurks inside is a little deceiving. This is a Wossner 265cc big bore, completely rebuilt by Millennium Technologies. I'll get into the spec on that in a second, but this is not your grandpa's WR250. This thing's an absolute rocket that'll smoke most YZ250s. It's race tech suspension, all the best to everything, XL rims. Let me give her a quick rip, and then I'll bring it inside and go over the extensive work order on the frame up rebuild on this classic rocket ship. She really looks the part, that's for sure. She's already, don't panic, she's already warmed up. Would you just look at this thing? It's a pinnacle of two-stroke. Beautiful. It's just absolutely stunning. You know, they switched to the originally Yamaha was yellow, then they went white and blue. I just love this white color with the turquoise saddle. It's a classic with the white frame. It's absolutely stunning with the gold rims, and it runs better than it looks, which is a rare combination. So I'll show you the frame rails in a minute. When we take out the stand, the frame rails are pristine, like the nicest I've seen on a 93. The pegs are nice and straight. The original shifter is pristine. The original swing arm, kickstand are intact. So a mint original WR250 was taken right down to the frame and given all the best of everything. Literally thousands of dollars in parts. In fact, let me check the receipt here. It was up $4,350 in parts, plus over 30 hours of shop labor. So a pretty extensive work order on it. The engine was sent to Millennium Technologies. The engine cases, the cylinder, the crank, the entire engine was sent there, and it was given their white glove restoration treatment with brand new bearings and the OEM crank. Everything was gone through, the clutch, the transmission, and it was matched with the piston and rings were matched with the Wossner piston and custom fit to the cylinder, which was ported and bored to 265. The head was modified, and they added this Smart Carb SC2 with a new twin air filter. So spectacular combination, full exhaust system. It's a Pro Circuit 304 factory sound stainless series silencer, and the Pro Circuit platinum pipe has the V-Force 3 carbon intake on it that you can see on this side right here. The Boyson factory racing engine covers, literally the best of everything. The radiators have been upgraded to the new aluminum radiators, oversized aluminum radiators, new radiator hoses, engine ice coolant, running VP 94 octane fuel. It's really a spectacular piece. They also modded the power valve at Millennium Technologies. The cylinder's plated by Millennium Technologies, and they mod the power valve. Everything's done on it. It's the best of everything, literally. So the engine is brand new rebuilt engine. The frame was repainted. The swing arm was repainted. And starting at the front of the bike, you've got a brand new Takasago XL rim with Buchanan stainless spokes, laced to the original hub with new wheel bearings, a new wave rotor. Front caliper was redone with new pads, new fork protectors. Heading up from there, the forks were rebuilt, and they have the Race Tech internals on them. So doesn't the shock. Full Race Tech suspension on this thing. This thing's ready to go to the track and race. Brand new front fender, brand new front number plate, brand new Renthal bars, new ASV quick adjust levers so you can adjust on the fly, new ODI grips, new Renthal crossbar pad, Master cylinder is rebuilt and repainted. The throttle body is in brand new condition, new ODI grip, and of course a matching ASV adjustable lever on this side. The fuel tank is a brand new Clark tank. The radiator shrouds are brand new. The radiator louvers are brand new. I had a receipt that said radiator louvers $176. I don't know why they were so freaking expensive, but I guess it might have been their last set on the planet. I don't know. Brand new Yamaha Techno Cell seat cover, brand new rear fender. The graphics were expensive too. Those were 200. I think it was, I have to check the receipt here. I got like pages of receipts. The graphics were obscenely expensive also. What was it? $237 for the graphics. The chain slider kit was $170. The OEM petcock was $60. A lot of pricey replacement parts on here. The fuel tank was $300. Brand new side number plates, brand new side number plate graphics. The rear shock, if you come around this side, you can see this was rebuilt by Racetech. Has the new spring and the new shock bumper. So it runs way better than any stock YZ250 or WR250 ever ran. The WR is a really cool piece. It has a wide ratio 5-speed transmission in it. Came within the factory with an 18-inch rear wheel set up for off-road riding and racing. You can see it has the swing arm was repainted on this side with new graphics. The rear brake protector is intact. The rear brake table is mint. Has a new all balls wave rotor on here. Brand new Takasago XL rear rim wrapped in a Dunlop tire, which I just shredded the hairy nipples off of it up the driveway. I guess I'll have to throw in a new Dunlop. So many clicks to buy it now. The chain drive system's all new, brand new sprocket, brand new chain, brand new countershaft sprocket. Rear brakes are all redone, all new wheel bearings. The original hubs are restored with new wheel bearings. Has the original kickstand, it looks brand new. The original chain protector is in pristine condition. Usually they're all mangled up from the eastern woods, and so are the frame rails. This one was spared the abuse of eastern woods. The chain slider is new. The chain rollers are new, bottom and upper. It's, of course, the smart carb and the factory Boyson Racing ignition cover on this side. You can see all new gaskets, all new seals, all new bearings, new piston, new ring, customized power valve, cut head, full exhaust, radiators. There's really nothing else you can do to a two-stroke. This is it. It's like a works bike. It's about as good as you possibly get. All new drain lines. Let me check my notes here, see if I left anything out. I think I covered most of it. All new fluids. Racetech kitted, rebuilt OEM forks. Millennium rebuilt OEM crankshaft. And the Wossner 265cc kit was spec'd by Millennium and installed and built by Millennium. I think that pretty much covers it. If I leave anything out, I'll put it up in the eBay ad where it's going to be sold at eBay auction. The bike was given a full Monty rotisserie detail also. So 30 hours labor at $175 an hour is $52.50 plus 43 and change with parts. Came to just under $10,000, $9,600 plus tax. You're looking at a $10,000 works weapon here for off-road racing, or if you want a piece that you want to just hang on to and display. These WRs are highly collectible. The WR250s and the 500s, most of them were ridden into the ground. So to find one this clean and redone is just unheard of. The frame didn't even need a repaint. They just repainted the frame side rails, the steering stem and the stickers on the steering stem. Everything's original on that. And you can still see the sticker on this side here if you come around this side. So it's, normally that would be worn off by the cables. More proof this thing's a low R original. Triple clamps are mint. Let me show you the frame rails. They're in mint condition. Really, really, really nice. Just unheard of for an off-road bike. Of course, you got the Boyson Factory Racing engine cover. All the best to everything. This bike is going to be sold at eBay auction. If you have any questions, call Junior 860-454-7024. Ship anywhere in the continental U.S. Enclosed, insured, white glove transport to your door. Hey guys, I got to ask, are you subscribed? 82% of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed. If you would just subscribe, we'd have like 1 million subscribers. I've been killing myself for 10 years here, shooting tons of videos on these cool classic bikes. And all I'm asking is hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification button. You'll find out when we get new videos. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it helps us grow the channel. Sometimes it's disappointing. I see guys that got 1 million, 2 million subscribers. And I'm like, what are they doing that we're not doing? Well, I never asked for you guys to subscribe, so I'm starting to do that. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We're killing ourselves doing what we love to do, pouring our heart out on a daily. We just want to see the channel grow. Thanks. And we also finance bikes here at Kaplan Cycles through Freedom Road. So if you want it financed, we can finance it for you. And we do take trades. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching. God bless America.